In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in and set up payment methods on your Whop account. By the end of this guide, you'll have a fully operational account ready to receive payments seamlessly. So let's get started by heading over to whop.com. Once you arrive at the website, the first thing you want to do is locate the login button, which is typically situated in the top right corner of the page. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Be sure to type in your email and password carefully, taking a moment to double check for any errors. If this is your very first time logging in, Whop may require you to verify your account. This verification process could involve confirming your email address or even providing photo ID based on Whop's individual requirements. It's important to ensure that your account is verified, as this will grant you full access to all of Whop's useful features. Now that you're successfully logged in, it's time to move on to setting up your payment preferences. Navigate to the top right corner again where you'll find your profile icon. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu, and from there, select the seller dashboard. The seller dashboard is your central hub for managing your seller settings and monitoring your transactions. Once inside, direct yourself to the settings menu where you'll want to proceed directly to payment settings. In the payment settings section, Whop offers you the option to connect either a Stripe or a PayPal account so you can receive payments efficiently. Each option has its own setup process, and I'm here to guide you through both of them. If you choose Stripe, start by clicking on Connect Stripe. This will direct you to log into your existing Stripe account. Alternatively, if you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. Follow the on-screen prompts as they guide you to input your bank account details and any other personal information requested. Remember, it's essential to verify your identity during this process as it helps ensure secure payment handling. If PayPal is your preferred method, click on Connect PayPal. This will initiate a prompt for you to log into your PayPal account. You'll need to authorize Whop to process payments via your PayPal email, thereby ensuring each transaction is managed correctly. Once you've successfully connected your chosen payment method, it's a good idea to double-check all the payment details you've entered. Confirm that your bank account numbers are accurate, your PayPal email is current, and that your preferred currency and payout schedule match your financial needs. Whop might send a test transaction to ensure everything is functioning as expected, so be sure to monitor your bank or PayPal account for this test payment and confirm its receipt to finish setting